If you're having issues with your Mac scrolling in the wrong direction, that's easily fixed by updating a setting in the computer's system preferences. Start by clicking on the Apple symbol in the top left of your screen. Then, in the drop-down menu, click on System Preferences. Now, depending on whether you want to change the scrolling direction for your mouse, or if you have a laptop, changing it for your trackpad, in the second row of icons, click on either mouse or trackpad. To change the scrolling direction for a mouse, click on Mouse and then at the very top, there's a setting called Scroll Direction, Natural. Depending on your current setting, you're going to want to check or uncheck this box in order to change it. To change the scrolling direction for a trackpad. At the top you have three options: point and click, scroll and zoom, and more gestures. Click on Scroll and Zoom. Now, at the top left, just like in the mouse settings, there's a box called Scroll Direction, Natural. Check or uncheck this depending on your current setting to change it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Mac Essentials for more tutorials on how to use your Apple devices.